Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change your license plate lights on this beautiful Ford F-150 2018. Let's get started. First thing you're going to have to do, lay back under the car. Once you're in here, it's really easy. There's a little access to the panel here and you just pop it right out and she comes right out, guys. Bam! Now you can get up there and do the switch. Once you're on this side, make sure you have some nice clean gloves. You don't want to burn your light bulbs. Remember, it's real easy. Did you hear that snap? Comes right out right after that. Once you popped it out, you're gonna need a tool like this and actually to get this one out. You're gonna have to go through here. It's a lot easier to just pop it out. And here it is, this is the little one. Now let's compare this baby halogen with our upgrade. It's by AUXITO. Let's see what these little bad boys can do. Should be an easy way to open this package. Just be careful, don't drop them. So here we go. We are gonna look at our old one and our new one. And this is our halogen. This is our new upgrade LED. So in order to put this back in, make sure you do the white part in. And it's white in there, then you just snap it in. Should be real easy. You match the puzzle and make sure it goes in smoothly. You'll hear the snap and you just rotate left. All right, once you the shelf back in the light, go ahead and push back in here and you're ready to go. Look at that, hear the snap? That's it, you're done. Thanks for watching. I hope you like your new upgrade and I hope you chose AUXITO.
Brighter roads start here. Choose AUXITO.